financial advice, of fucking course. Everything we're here is just our opinion on the GOAT3D Podcast, coming to you every Sunday, 5 p.m. London time. Take it away, brother.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's do it. I'm going to do a top-down approach. So I'm going to go from the high time frame to the lower time frame so we can get a proper analysis of where this token is and which direction it's going currently. All right, so it looks like to me, I like to always start by just looking at the chart, the vibe about it. So it looks like the chart has gone up since launch, and now it's gone through a retracement period, and it's reaching a point where buyers and sellers are buying at equal, a fair value right now. So there's not a lot of aggressive buyers or aggressive sellers currently in this token, so it's just consolidating, and you can see that from the volume as well. The volume is on average below the 10 moving averages. So I'm going to throw a Fibonacci from top of the chart to the bottom of the chart to the top of the chart. Okay, I like using Fibonacci. It just shows you what type of discount the chart is giving you right now, where it's currently at. So it looks like we've gone past the 61% retracement. We've gone past it. We've gone past the 78% retracement, and now we've reached a 90% discounted area. 90%, guys. If I was actually telling someone in the chat, if someone puts a car on eBay for you to bid, and it's 90% of the actual value, would you bid on it? You know, I didn't get any answers, but you would probably bid on it, right? If it's 90% of the value, because you know that you can sell it at a later time if the demand comes into it again. If the demand comes to it, that's very important. This coin, in my opinion, has a very good community, and I think in old season when retail comes in, because of the vibe that it has such a good community, and the owner, the founder, keeps going live almost every day. It's a very unique project. It's like a unique selling point for this project to have an owner that's the face of the project. We haven't had that a lot in the meme coin world. We haven't had an owner that shows his face constantly. So that could be a very, very positive factor about this token. And I would take a chance at 90% discount just based on that. So around the 90 to 78% area, I'm going to draw a rectangle just to highlight the area, because I'm going to get rid of the Fibonacci in a second.
Can you go full screen on your chart?
On this platform, I don't think I can do it on this platform for some reason, but it's a shame. But what can you do? You know,
no worries, my bad.
Yeah, I don't think you can. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of Fibonacci. So we got that box. We're gonna get closer to the box. Okay, so we're gonna go closer and closer, see what's going on. So it looks like your typical accumulation area, right? As you can see, there's not a lot of action happening. So you see all these swings that are happening in the market right now. It's just a consolidation pattern. There's not a lot of action happening. So we just need to wait for aggressive buying to come back into this token to have a clear confidence that this token is going to go up. But for accumulation purposes, I'm buying every dip in this. You know, as soon as it entered this zone, I was buying almost every dip. So I've been buying all the dips in this accumulation zone. So if price goes up, I'll be in instant profit. And you know, if it does go back to the all-time highs again, if I get my ruler out, it could give you returns of almost 800%, 8x from all-time lows to all-time highs where it's currently at. So 8x, and it could even go higher than that in old season. Old season is just crazy, you know, especially with these type of tokens, because when they go into price discovery, there's not a lot of areas of sensitivity, because investors don't know where to take profits. So it just creates it. So we just don't know how far it's going to pump to. And because of the low liquid nature of these tokens, they can really, really pump. Like we've seen before with SHIB, we've seen it before with Dodge, all those other meme coins. They can really, really pump and give amazing returns. So that's my take on UFD. It's in a discounted area, and I'm not giving any financial advice, but I've been buying it personally. I've been buying all those dips in the accumulation.
You are Mr. GOAT3D. Now,